realized that I've been spending a lot of time in my office these last few weeks, so I thought what I would do is do a little tour of some of my favorite places in my office. And my bookshelf is a very favorite place. I like to look at it when I'm sitting at my desk. So clearly you can see I'm a huge Star Trek fan. All my autographed pictures that I got at Comic-Con of Jonathan Frakes and Nichelle Nichols. My brother got me this autographed picture of William Shatner for Christmas one year. Also the Starfleet Academy license holder, which I haven't installed yet. An autographed picture from Seth MacFarlane, who is a real hero of mine with great voices. He's a great voice actor. Little medal I received from the Red Cross for the work I did for the Katrina relief as Volunteer of the Year. My TEDx stickers, business cards, my own stickers, picture of my mom when she was probably 14 or 15 maybe, when she went to France. And here I've got a picture of Brian when he was Mr. Burgess Fest. And I love this picture here. Brent made this. It was actually part of his portfolio, his art portfolio, that he highlighted in his last BAM Animation Live video on YouTube as part of his portfolio, and he gave this to me, this framed picture, and I love it. Here I've got some lanyards from, a lot of them from TEDx. I've got one from Forward Movement when I went to an evangelism workshop. I've got my new Episcopal Diocese of West Texas logoed lanyard. I think I was supposed to give that back, but I kept it anyway because I liked it. And some crosses that I probably should have put on the wall. Nice pictures. Oh, this was actually a theme from one of the councils, the Diocese of West Texas Council from a few years ago, and one of the artists painted those, so I got that. More pictures of Brian when he was little. Some other stuff, but this is really my favorite place. From where I sit at my desk, I can see all of that, and I really love it. So I really like my bookshelf. Do you have a bookshelf nearby with all your favorite stuff? I hope you do, because that's treasured items.